Good morning, dear children. Today we will do chapter 2 division from your mathematics book. And first of all, everybody take out your mathematics notebook. Write down today's date here. Chapter 2 division on the top line. I'm going to tell you about division. Sign of the division is this one is the sign. And what do you mean by division? Divide, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट और शेयर इक्वली. डिवाइड का मतलब और डिस्ट्रीब्यूट का मतलब क्या होता है? बांटना. और शेयर का मतलब भी बांटना इक्वली. सभी में समान रूप से कोई चीज को बांटना, दैट इज कॉल्ड डिवीजन. ओके, द फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल आई हैव टेकन डिस्ट्रीब्यूट और डिवाइड 6 balls in 3 girls. I have drawn 6 balls here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you have to divide these 6 balls in 3 girls. हमें इन 3 girls को ये 6 balls बांटनी है, डिवाइड करनी है. So let's start doing it. हमने ये फर्स्ट बॉल ली और हमने फर्स्ट गर्ल को दे दी. ठीक है. Now I have taken the second ball and I have given to the second girl. Okay. Now I have taken the third one and I will give it to the third girl. Okay. Now everybody is having one ball, but we are having 3 balls left with us. So we have to start distributing these balls also. Let's the fourth one to the first girl. Now the next one, fifth one to the second girl, and the last ball to the third girl. Now every girl is having 2 balls, and this way we have distributed or divided all the balls equally to the girls. So answer is everybody is getting 2 balls. Okay, answer is 2. How can we denote this? We can write like this: 6 sign of division, divide by 3, that is 2. 6 divide by 3. जो 6 balls थी हमने 3 लोगों में डिवाइड की. हर एक को कितनी मिलेंगी? 2 मिलेंगी. ओके. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट डूइंग द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. डिवाइड 12 mangoes in 4 boxes. These are, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are 12 mangoes and we have to divide in these 4 boxes. So let's start doing it. Let's start the first mango. हमने ये mango यहाँ पर दे दिया. ठीक है. Now the second mango in the second box. Third mango in the third box. Fourth mango in the fourth box. Now rest again. The fifth one, the sixth one in the second box, the seventh one in the third box, the eighth one in the fourth box. Now we are left with some more mangoes, so we have to divide these mangoes also. The next one we have to give away in the first box. The next one is also in the second box. The next one in the third box. And the rest is in the fourth box. Now we have divided all the mangoes. Yes, all the 12 mangoes have been divided. Now we have to count how many mangoes are there in each box. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So each box has 3 mangoes in it. And this way we have divided all the 12 mangoes equally in 4 boxes. This is called division. Okay? यही division कहलाती है. So I will write 12 here. Divide by 4. 12 डिवाइड बाय 4. अब हमने जब डिवाइड किए 4 में तो हर एक में कितने आए? हमारे पास आए 3. ओके. So आपको समझ आया ना कैसे करना है? Yes. Now let's see the next example. Divide 15 ice cream candies in 5 boys. These are 15 candies and we have to divide these 15 candies in these 5 boys. Let's count the candies first of all. कहीं कम हो या ज्यादा हो, we should count ना? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. अरे ये तो पूरी है 15 आइसक्रीम कैंडीज. Now let's count the boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have 5 boys. Now we have to divide these 15 ice cream candies in these 5 boys. Let's start doing it. We will cut the first one and we will give it to the first boy. Okay. Now second one to the second boy. Third one to the third boy. Fourth to the fourth boy. The next one to the next boy. Now we have left with some more ice creams, so we have to start distributing again. Now the next one to the first one. We have to divide till we get 0. हमारे पास जब कुछ भी नहीं बचेगा तब तक हमें डिवाइड करते जाना है. Okay. The next one to the next boy. This one to the fourth boy. And this one to the fifth boy. Now we can see we are left with some more ice cream. So we have to distribute these ice creams also. So this one to the first boy. This one to the second boy. The next one to the third boy. This one to the fourth boy. And the next one to the fifth boy. Okay. So this way you can see we have distributed all the ice creams. Now we are left with no ice cream. Okay. जब तक हमारे पास नहीं बचेगी तब तक we have to distribute. Okay. Now let's count how many ice creams each boy have. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So every boy has 3 ice cream. So we have done this. And we have divided all the ice creams equally in 5 boys. So how can we write this? We can write like this. 15. We have 15 ice cream candies and we have to divide in 5 boys. So how many ice creams everybody is getting? That is 3 each. This is our division. So this way you can divide or distribute anything equally. So dear children, do it at home and you can know how to divide equally. Okay dear children, and you have to do these exercises, these sums in your mathematics notebook neatly. Okay, bye dear children, bye.